What's up, guys, and welcome to this video. It's a one-hit wonder thrift sourcing video. We haven't done one-hit wonder in so long, so I thought today would be a great time to do it. It's Friday, it's about 4:30. I'm on my way to the post office to drop off today's sales packages, whatever. And then I'm gonna go to the thrift. I'm gonna find one item, you know the deal. One thrift store, one item, $15 or less. We gotta get 4 to 10x return on investment. So let's get there, let's go. All right, guys, we're here at the thrift. I don't have a lot of time, so I've got to be quick. I got to get in there, get the thing, and get out of there because I'm supposed to be off work already and meeting the family for dinner. So we're gonna make this happen. Let's go. All right, looks like we found our item, this pair of rider wear. Oh no, they're falling apart in the back. Should I fix these or should I not? Yes, I can fix these. These cost $5.50 and they're going for 50 to 75 used on eBay. I'll put some glue on there and they'll be good. Vintage, Cannibal Corpse, Gildan Heavy Blend. This is a pickup. Getting it. All right, guys, we absolutely scored. I don't have a bag because I often don't bring a bag out of the store if I can carry it by hand. We scored. I was supposed to only buy one item, bought more than one. Sue me, I don't care. I'm trying to run a business, all right? Let's get in the van and I'll show you what we got. Pretty awesome. I paid $34 after everything, after rounding up and the whole nine. Here's what we got. We got this pair of rider wear lifting shoes. They do need to be glued on the back. I showed you that in there. Not too bad. However, we're gonna take care of those, get them glued up and then get them listed. I might sell these for a little bit less simply because they have to be glued on the back. We'll see. The tread looks really good. These are lifting shoes, so for the gym. Next, I did buy me a pair of Levi's. This is just your standard 5'11", 34, kind of a faded black denim there. I definitely need jeans. I'm always buying jeans. I go through them very quick. Next, if you saw my video that I released this past Sunday, it was about jeans. I found a pair of vintage 1970s, 1980s 501. Got the double X on there. It's got the extended tag, so this is definitely a desirable pair. The only thing is that they are cut up or torn up on the knees, but I'm okay with that because there is somebody out there for every pair of pants. We're gonna get these things sold. Next, we've got this. This is actually priced at $3.99, which I find very interesting. It's an elite Nike, and that's probably, you know, it's in all black, so you can't really see the lettering unless you turn it a certain way. That's probably why they only had it priced at $4. These are selling for $35 to $40 right now. It's a hoodie. It's lightweight, sort of like a runner's hoodie, I guess, or an athletic hoodie. And so we paid $4 for it, and it'll go for $35. And then the absolute winner of the day, right here, this vintage Gildan Heavy Blend hoodie. It is Cannibal Corpse. It's a band. On the back it says kill. Incredible. Faded. Definitely dirty, has some cat hair on it, but I'm gonna wash this by hand when I get home, dry it, and sell it. There's 2 or 3 sold comps of this exact hoodie on eBay selling for, they sold for $70. I'm probably gonna come in a little bit lower than that so I can get rid of this thing in a day. Incredible vintage find, $5 into 70. Let's go. All right, guys, I want to say thank you for joining in on this video, on this exciting adventure, this episode of the One Hit Wonder Thrift series. That red pair of lifting shoes is the item that we're focusing on for the One Hit Wonder Thrift series, but I could not leave that other stuff behind just because it's like, why would you just leave money on the table? So I got it. I'm taking it. bought more than one thing, oh well. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you got some value out of it. If you did, be sure to leave a like on the video for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed and if you like seeing this kind of stuff. And as always, I will see you guys on the next video.